Alright, y'all, what's up? This Tina's again, back with another video today. I'm finna attempt. You know what? I ain't gonna attempt. We finna put this on today, baby. We probably putting this on, what, 6 years ago? But we're gonna put it on today. Stay tuned. Alright, y'all. I got that man again on here. I got that man again on here.
What them catfish on there?
What we about to do today, Pop?
You gotta take them sides off.
Take what off? Oh, take the side. Yeah, I get the. Yeah, let me get the Allen wrenches and take those off for you. Them tools you coming with you, man?
That's all you need, boo.
That's all you need.
Yes, sir.
All right, y'all. Let me take this side panel off right quick. Hey, man, I'm gonna show y'all what we got going on here, man. Wish us luck. It look pretty good though. Check it out. Well, that's like a hey, we're gonna take this like clean off of there.
You ain't going over.
We don't read. That's something up right there.
Where you Allen wrench at, boo?
Huh? I need the Allen wrench. You have.
You got now?
I ain't brought none with me.
Okay.
It might be my boo bag. Let me check my boo bag. Oh yeah, we're gonna get that bad booger off of there. Yeah, let me get them Allen wrenches so I can take these sides off.
Allen wrench, what some of what?
Yeah, I need some.
Oh.
You ain't got none?
Yeah.
Well, look at, you can look in there. I might have some in there. All right, we got the sides off. Now we got to get up in here and get these bolts up out of there. I don't know if I got to take this loose or not, but I'm gonna figure it out in a second. Let me get up in there. All right, so far I got all the side pieces off. I done removed the battery. And I moved it, I don't even know what this is, but I moved it out the way. So now we got a straight shot to that bolt back there. I don't know if you can see it on camera. See that bolt up in there. But yeah, we about halfway done, baby. Take it on out of there. All right, y'all. We got the original one out. That's what it is.
What is it right here for?
That's the little reservoir thing.
Hmm?
All right, y'all, we're gonna put that in right quick.
You want to leave it on here?
Yeah, it's supposed to go on there.
Well, where do you take to, Martin?
Which one?
The reservoir.
They're going that go over here. I'm gonna mount it over here on the side. We just gotta put that juice. We just gotta put that in there first. I got the screw right here in my hand. When you get in there, let me know and I'll put it in there. Ooh, that's gonna look good already, y'all. Y'all, let me get out of here. Now we got it in there, y'all. You gotta bolt it down. He's in there now. Hey y'all, it's nighttime, man. It stormed on me. But I do have the oven shocks on there though. I do have it on there. It got the rain on me real bad. It stormed out here, but we finished it on up. Get on up in this light. But we got to finish though. I'm gonna go ahead and end the video. I'll show y'all at another video the finished product. But I'm gonna go ahead and close this video on that and I'll see y'all next time. Tina's out.